So, in my opinion, upskilling isn't necessarily important anymore. It's critical. If you don't upskill, you seriously have to question where you are in your career. The landscape of business analysis is not static, and therefore, if you fall behind, you will remain behind. Technology is advancing at a rapid pace. AI is reshaping decision making and automation, and organizations expect BAs to operate at a more strategic level than ever before. If we don't grow intentionally, we become operational rather than impactful. CBAP stands out because it validates the depth of experience and strategic capability. It's not only about terminology, it requires alignment with the BA BOK principles, the scenario based judgment we have to execute on a daily basis, and mature understanding of value delivery. My motivation was strategic, and it was rooted in growth and integrity. As someone who mentors and coaches other analysts, I felt it was important to model continuous development myself. I wanted to also test my own experience against global benchmark and ensure that my thinking was aligned with international best practice. So it was about elevating my own standard, much more than obtaining a credential.